What is up, INFOSEC Defenders? I am George, the Blue Defender, and we are here to present you our brand new website. But not just that, we'll also show you our social media profiles so you can be able to communicate with us and interact with us a lot easier. So why don't we get started? Here we have our site. Let me just go to the home page. Up here is our says INFOSEC Defenders Cybersecurity Awareness YouTube channel. Learn how to cyber defend. And you can see this is a nice animation of someone typing on the keyboard. It could be hacking, could be rescuing a company from hacking. We don't really know. It doesn't show, but it's very mysterious, and it gets you into the feeling of cybersecurity. Down here we have our About Us, which is our introduction, an introduction to our site. It says some details about it. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, 100 subscribers is our goal. Here's our mission where we're educating people. You already are. Down here is you get excited for our videos and product promotions. We'll also be doing different reviews as well. And you can sign up in order to, which is subscribe, and it's further down, where you can hear about new sales and products and specials and offers. Go down, and now that we're talking about products, these are our recommendations. We have Sophos Home Premium, VMware Workstation, NordVPN, and malwarebytes. These for our affiliate partners that we have so far. For example, if I press Sophos, for example, it takes you to the website where you can do a free trial or buy it with a 25% discount. Down here are some of our featured videos, which is our recommended videos. But before you see any, it's probably best to check out our brand new introduction, and then followed up with these videos. And this is where you subscribe by typing your email, which if you press the sign up button, it will take you all the way down here automatically. Next up we have the Home Security Products tab. INFOSEC Defenders suggests, yes we suggest, we recommend the security toolset for home networks. This is basically where you can buy products and you can find more details about them as well. So for example, if we press on Sophos, you can see it'll take you back to the Sophos Home website. And speaking about Sophos, thank you so much for giving us our shirts. They're really awesome, but we'll make a review on your Sophos Home Premium product, wearing them actually. Then we've got VMware, NordVPN, and malwarebytes. Of course, as well, we have a video gallery right here, whereas top, because for new visitors, it's probably best to see our introduction video. We're probably saying, why the heck is an O face up here with a little INFOSEC Defenders logo? Well, you have to watch the video and you'll find out. It's very funny. Down here are all of our videos, as we will add more. And we've also got the Contact Us section right here, which is where it says, let's get connected. Leave us your comments and we will try to come back the soonest possible. So you can type here name, email. Well, phone is optional. You don't have to add it. Here's your suggestions on the brand new site and generally us. Here are other notes. And as you do that, you can also subscribe here by ticking this thing where it says sign up for updates, promotions, and more. So instead of going to the subscribe by itself, you can check it via contacting us and then click send. So that's basically how you access our site. I'm just making this tour of our site for what you're gonna expect or what you're gonna see. And as well, instead of contacting us from here, you can go to our social media profiles. For example, our Facebook profile, where we have we'll have an epic looking banner up here is our profile picture. All of our, so here is called, we are called INFOSEC Defenders on Facebook, where we post different promotions, and here as well, if you don't want to access our site, you can check out Facebook and even Instagram. On Instagram, we are called at INFOSEC Defenders. So here we go. We have our videos as well, and also a sophos promotion. That is how you get the latest news from our profile, from our social media, if you don't want to access our site and generally in contact with us. So that will bring this grand tour of our site to a conclusion. I hope you are excited, because this is gonna be one whole cybersecurity adventure. And until next time, stay secure and become an INFOSEC Defender.